Hey guys, wanna know how to log into your account by using Google in Ghibli Art by ChatGPT? Well, in this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how to do it. It's super simple, so let's get right into it. Now first up, open up your web browser and type in Ghibliart.AI. This should direct you to its official website. Now once you're there, on the top right corner, you can see the sign in button. Click on it. Now on the top, you can see sign in with Google. So simply click on it. Now you can choose any account that you'd like. Select continue. And after a while, your account should be signed in just as easy as that. As you can see in the top right corner, your profile has been seen and you can go to the dashboard, your account and start generating Ghibli art. And that's it. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more related videos. See you in the next one.